Well, on.
White Free. It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shyvon.
Shyvon.
Don't do my name like that, boo boo.
Shyvon.
Whatever. Anyways.
Shyvon. Alright. Anyways, guys, we are back with another reaction. We are back with another reaction. I know some of y'all gonna be like, y'all should change that channel to a reaction channel. Maybe. Let's see how it goes.
It could be.
If you guys can help us grow after reaction, we might turn to a reaction channel. We never know. You know what I'm saying? We never know. So right now we're just trying different stuff. And whichever one is like pumping up, we gonna stick to that route. You know what I'm saying? Go to grind, don't stop, won't stop.
So silly.
Alright.
Alright, guys. So let's get straight up into this video.
We're watching, baby.
We're watching It. That clown movie.
Oh, it's a clown movie. Oh.
It's called It Chapter 2. So yeah, let's come get our reaction of this movie.
Come on, guys. Come on, let's get into it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? To the It movie.
This fool. Alright, here we go. Let's go, guys. Let's get into this movie.
Turn the volume up.
Yeah. Here we go. Alright, here we go.
Yes, can I help you?
I used to live here.
So?
Won't you come in?
Oh, she's the
the least
girl?
I can do. Is it like you remember?
Cleaner.
Well, you feel free to look around while I get the water boiling.
Your hair is winter. January. My heart burns that.
Oh, that's the girl. What is it? What?
There you go.
Did you see that?
Some music.
Am I tripping?
I see it.
I do apologize. It gets so very hot here this time of year.
It's fine.
When you feel like
It's
you
not
could just
fine, girl. I don't know
about
what you're
die. But you know what they say about Derry. No one who dies here ever really dies.
What they do?
Did she say nobody really dies there?
Yeah. And she just...
Oh, hell no.
But tell me,
No. See? This is why I'm afraid of old people. This is exactly why I'm afraid of old... Why do y'all gotta use old people in scary movies? This is why I'm terrified of old people. My mom work in a nursing home. I'm never going in there by myself. She gonna have to walk me up in there because I'm not. This lady paused for 5 whole seconds and then just started back talking what she was saying.
how is it being back in Derry?
It's good. Strange.
Oh, I thought she was talking about dairy like milk and stuff.
Oh my.
Oh, hell no, I'm out.
I had some cookies in the oven before you came. Stay right there.
I'm
I
good.
shouldn't impose. I'm gonna.
I'm good.
No, I insist.
Girl, run.
As soon as you go back there, I'm out.
Lovely, Miss
Dipping out.
Are these your family?
My father came to this country with $14
God, you
in
still
his
there?
pocket.
What did he do, Mrs. Kirsch?
My father joined the circus.
Run. Oh my gosh, that was so creepy.
She was looking back there.
Yes. Was she naked?
I was always Daddy's little girl. What about you?
Why
Are
is
you
it so
still
dark?
his little girl, Beverly? Are you?
They don't do that shit. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're coming back as grown-ups.
Me and the Losers Club has officially begun.
We can do this, but we have to stick together.
Nope.
Hello.
Deuces.
September
6th. Oh, mommy, that's your birthday. Me and my mom. No. First of all, I don't care how old you are. I don't care how long you lived in that place. Why you need to go back there for? What's back there for you? Nothing. Nothing is back there for you. No. I want to see that. After we go see that movie, then after we go see that movie, then we come back and we watch Frozen.
Why? So you feel good?
Yeah, because after I see a scary movie, I cannot go straight to sleep. I cannot, because I'm going to dream about it, and then I'm going to have nightmares, and I'm going to wake up sweating, and I'm going to wake up swinging. Okay, because it's my first instinct.
Swinging on who?
Swinging on you. Whoever close to me is getting these hands. Period.
That's fine. I'm gonna sleep on the other side of the roof.
I have to watch a cartoon movie right after I see a scary movie. Nope.
Yo, you be one of the loudest one in terror movies too.
No.
I swear that you be one of the loudest one for no reason. You be like, no, don't you do that. No. You be one of the loudest one.
No,
I be like, oh my god, bro.
Okay, babe, when we went to go see that movie, what movie was that? It was a scary movie we went to go see. And the girl sitting next to us, she was all she was all at the top of the chair, screaming and stuff,
she was
screaming all
not.
up
She
in my
was just
ear.
squeezing for no reason. I was like,
I couldn't even scream. I couldn't even yell. Like, I couldn't even react no way because she was doing it all for me.
It was one time, like, something would happen and she the only one that screamed and she cursed that loud ass bad word.
Oh yeah.
I just remember.
Girl, I was like, okay, now you doing too much now. Now I know I be loud in the movie theater, but she was doing too much, okay? Even parts that you wouldn't even like, you know, the parts that in the scary movie where the music gets louder or whatever. It wasn't even no part like that. And she was just over here screaming. Girl. But it was fun though. But I like this trailer. I think it's gonna be a good movie. It's when all the kids came back to Derry or whatever. What she call it? Derry? Derry, when they came back and they're grown up and I guess they're fighting. I mean, they're facing their fears. The clown, it. So yeah, babe, what you think?
I like movies like these. You know, I like movies like these, so it's always interesting to see it. I always be like, when I'm watching these movies, I always be like telling them what happened like 5 seconds before. I'll be like, oh no, he finna get her.
Like you brace yourself.
I don't like you.
Whatever.
Don't be saying I'm gonna boss.
I honestly could not be in no scary movie because I would not go according to script. Because if they tell me that I need to run, I need to trip over this bark right here and roll over, fall and faint and everything, I'm like, who falling and faint when this big old dude chasing me back here with this chainsaw? You got me messed up. I'm running, okay? My mama ain't taught me to fall for nobody. I'm running, okay?
My God, you're shooting the video.
Still though, I don't know. They gonna have to be like, Miss Bro, I'm gonna need you to follow script. This is the 50th take we done did on this one part.
On the 5th one, you out of there.
They gonna replace me. Oh, but yeah, guys, that movie that trailer was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty good.
The old lady done. The old lady gonna get a lot of people screaming.
She is.
Was she naked when she run up to the girl?
Yes, that's what I was saying. Like when she peeked from behind the corner and then she ran around, like she ran across when she was looking at that picture. She was naked. She was booty naked. Okay.
Grandma don't care.
That's why I'm afraid of old people. Right there. But yeah, guys.
Alright, guys. This movie come out on July the 12th, 2019.
That's the wrong one, babe. No, they don't. September 6th.
Oh, September 6th?
Yeah, this is.
Oh.
Chapter 2 comes out September 6th. So, y'all heads up. If y'all want to pre-order, y'all better keep your eyes to the streets, keep your ears to the streets, eyes to the screen. And when the pre-order dates come out, we gotta get y'all tickets. So, yep. Well, yeah, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. So, go on over to the next one. Go on over to the next one because we got one more coming out. Go on over to the next one.
Why you still here? Go! Alright, man.
Alright. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. like this video. Comment down below what part you liked about this video, what you want to see from us. If you like reactions,
let us know some reactions you want us to do, man. Without further ado, we're gonna end this video right here. Make sure you guys have a good, productive day. Peace out.